in the daytime?
I didn't turn it on.
No, I just wanted to try it out. I wait till proper night time. You got it?
Yeah. Right, just gotta pull that. Nice. That's 3.
Catch it.
Go, shoot. Nice. Right. How you find that?
That wasn't too bad.
Okay.
So that was the bottom left corner.
Yep. Yep.
Ready?
Right, we are low. Fucking boom. Fuck, that's it! Don't touch it! That absolutely fucking drilled it. I couldn't figure out why I was doing it, because it looked like, from my side, just this little change that we've got. Yeah. Right, so it needs to go. Fuck yes, fucking it's wound up. Well, there you go. The gun's on. Both rounds. I still think it likes the 200 better. If everyone can knock it back.
Same for basically the bottom there.
The aim for the bottom. Well, that is a dead solid. That you sit there, put like this. Stuck up there, so I'll see if I can knock it out. Oh, hit it! That ain't gonna fucking move it.
Try and hit it. Where would I have to hit it? Up the top?
I don't know if you'll be able to hit it. I've hit it there, but I don't know if it'll move it. There we go. It's just the fucking tail part of it. It's all a part of the game.
Hit it at the top, spins that way.
Well, if you hit the top there, it's gone that way. So,
Gone that way.
Yeah.
Got two goes.
No, I don't care if you break it out.
Otherwise I have to walk down there.
Well, I just hit it. So basically I'm shooting. Fuck, that was a good shot though. Yeah, that was Jesus too, eh? Baby! Holy fuck, that's a good shot. Oh, you're a natural.
Got one more.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to shoot it.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, I can't tell. I'm fucking looking through this thing.